everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming my fake tan routine. I have literally been wanting to film this for literally ages and it's finally here. So today I've been testing out the MAE filter fake tan drops and also the dark tan. I usually use the extra dark, but today I'm trying the dark because I bought a package and because she released her tanning drops. She's like released like a big kind of package, you can like a bundle, let's say, and so I ordered that. So it came with the dark tan, it came with the tanning drops, and it also came with the big mitt and the small mitt. So today in this video, guys, you're going to see me trying them out. I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please remember to give it a like, comment down below and subscribe. Where was I going with that? So yeah, in this video I am showing you my prep for my tan, how I tan, and literally the before and after, everything about it. It's all involved in this video. So yeah, if you guys want to realise and figure out how you get this amazing glowing tan I have got, because I'm literally in love with it, I'm not even going to lie to you, then please keep watching the video. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because it means the absolute world to me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just back again. So I've literally just like changed into this black crop top so I can basically show you what I do. So let's get started. So I literally have this tan remover and I'm literally just gonna like apply this basically all over my body and get my tan off. And I have to let this soak in for like 2 minutes, I think. I usually let it soak in for 2 minutes. It probably says longer than that. 5 minutes. I leave this in for 5 minutes, leave this on for 5 minutes even. So yeah, I basically put it there a lot because it's so hard, like getting it off my neck as well, like behind my ears. So I literally just like soak my body in this completely because it is just like the best tan remover I find. And yeah, you definitely have to leave it on for the like time it says to leave it on for, otherwise you will find it like a lot harder to like get your tan off. But yeah, like prioritise like the areas that you find that your tan like clings to. Now that that is fully applied everywhere, I'm going to jump into the shower and I'm going to like try and scrub literally every single bit of my old fake tan off. Right, so this is me before. Obviously, pale as, this is what I look like naturally. I'm going to start tanning, so I'm actually using the filter by MAE, and I ordered some new bits recently because she just released the tanning drops, which is for your face and for your body, but she says that she uses them on her face and her face is always so tan, so I'm literally like fingers crossed that this is going to be amazing. So I placed a big order. I got like, there was like a box set sort of version, so I got like the mini little glove, I got, well, the mini little, what do you call this? The mini little face mitt, and then I got like the big mitt for your body, and then obviously the self tanning drops themselves. And I also had to order more fake tan because my one just ran out, but I got it in dark because this package only included the dark one. Usually I use extra dark, so we're gonna see what kind of tan this gives me, and I'll sleep in it. I always sleep in them anyway, so hopefully this actually, because it's dark, hopefully it won't like go really patchy really quickly on me maybe. So maybe I do need to start using the dark, I'm not sure, but every fake tan goes patchy eventually. So yeah, so let's go and try it out and apply it to my body. Right, so I'm going to start applying the tan now. So to do that, before I prep with a moisturiser, yes I do. And today I'm going to be using the, where is it? It's not in here. Right, don't know where that's gone. But basically just any moisturiser. I usually use the brown Vaseline one. You know, you can get it in Sainsbury's and stuff. But it's like the coconut or like coca one. But I've actually got this Wild Argan Oil Body Shop one because I've kind of got like the Wild Argan Oil collection going on, let's say. So I'm just going to put like a few pumps of that into my hand. I've just used 3, and I kind of just put that on the spots where I think the tan's gonna cling, so on my elbows, kind of here as well. Then I also put it on my knees and my ankles, my knees and my ankles. Now I've done that, actually I kind of like rub it into my hands as well, because I find that my fake tan, I don't know if it's just me, but literally clings to my hands so much. My hands literally end up being orange. Obviously I've got the fake tan face drops. I think, should we put them on first and see what they do like whilst I'm doing my legs, and then see if we see it kind of develop, because I wonder if they're clear. If they're clear, or if like the drops are dark. Like I really wonder, right? Always so awkward opening new packaging, but fine. Yay, brand new tan, always such a like amazing feeling. Got the big boy mitt here for this. Also usually for, I obviously did this morning, is I wash my face. So I usually clean my face in the mornings, and like just to get all of like, well, I didn't have any makeup on yesterday, kind of just to freshen my face up, get my pores open, and like clean my face basically. So I always do that before I fake tan my face, just because otherwise I'm adding more and more stuff into it, so I'm more likely to get spots. I hate it when packaging does this, like it rips every like 5 seconds down, like because you don't break the hair properly. You're gonna put, I'm actually gonna put my hair up in a bun as well. I always put it up in a bun, because otherwise my hair gets caught in the tan. My hair literally looks like a poo. Right, so now that I've well and truly ruined my mitt already, we're just gonna start applying that on. Right, okay, so I can already tell. Oh my god, this mitt. Yes, Molly May. Not even just saying that. Like, I'm not even just saying that. Like, look at my arm compared to my other arm already. Like, look how smooth that's gone on. So yeah, this is the new filter Molly May Self Tanning Drops. So let's see what these are all about, because I'm really excited. Like a weird little top, so I guess I could bring it out and push that down to get the drops out. A moisturiser. So the moisturiser that I've got handy on me right now is just this Body Shop Carrot Cream one, which is actually quite cute. So I like that a lot actually. Gonna put some of that on my hand or my fingers and put it on my hand like that. So I guess I've put that much on, so I'm hoping that's enough. And then it said 4 to 10 drops. So I think because I've got the dark on, I'm gonna do like 6 drops, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a bit more because 5 didn't come out properly. Alright, let's see what this is all about. So I guess I'm just gonna like rub that all in together there. Like that. And then I'm gonna put it on my face like this. Let's see what this is all about. I'm also just like really brushing it up into my hairline because I don't want any, like, do you know what I mean, in my hairline. Right, so I'm just gonna wash my hands to focus on my legs. Is the tan fully on? So hey, coming from tanned Beth right now, just literally feels so amazing to have a brand new layer of tan on. Just hate my pale skin, do you know what I mean? Just hate that for me. Don't like it one bit. We love this version. So I'd rather be orange than pale. XOXO. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my face is already actually starting to develop a tan, which is like getting close to the shade that my neck is. But you can't, like I say, you can't actually really see because this light just isn't really it, because it just like shines in my face. This is what it looks like right now, and obviously I'll show you guys it when I wash it off in the morning. So this is the tan. Developed a little bit patchy like round here for some reason. Like it's gone really patchy around here, but like the rest of my face like looks fine. Quite orange though, not gonna lie, but that might just be like because it picks up orange on me like my fake tan does. But it matches my hands, so. Happy and healthy, not me. If you ever came to ask, can you see yourself? Baby, gosh, I can do that. I lost my mind, that's like a violation. That's very, very muggy. So yeah, I'm just about to hop in the shower and wash this off, and I will show you what it looks like after. Right, so I don't think I filmed that properly because I was just on FaceTime with my cousin and we were kind of messing around. Yeah, I've got the tan on, just about to go and wash it off now, so I'll show you what it looks like after as well. But this is what it looks like on, as you can tell. I'll put like a difference, I'll put it like side to side, the before and after, so you can kind of see the difference it has on me. And yeah, I think it looks really good. I actually prefer the dark to the extra dark. It doesn't look as orange on my body. I mean, when I wash it off it'll look like nice, it won't look as orange. But yeah, my face, like, wow, the tanning drops clearly bloody work, and I didn't need to wash it off or anything, and it's literally matched my neck. But the only problem I have is like when you have like spots or like kind of underlying like patches and stuff, whatever you call it. I don't even know if I do on my chin, but it's kind of like clung to my chin. I don't know if it's because I have dimples here that it's clung to the lines in my dimples. Oh wait, no, here I had a spot, so it's obviously done that there. But like here it kind of just looks a little bit patchy, so maybe like my skin's a little bit rough there. I'm not really sure. I don't think it is, but so I'm literally just gonna shower with my Wild Argan Oil body wash, and I'm also gonna wash my hair because my hair's a grease ball. And yeah, that's all I've got to do, and that's the minute where I washed it last night. Right, so I've now showered and washed everything off. I'm just gonna get changed and get ready. And yeah, guys, this is what the tan looks like. It looks so nice. It looks so natural, I always think. So I absolutely love the MAE filter tan. I feel like you guys definitely need to go buy some. Definitely invest in these drops as well, actually, because they are really, really good. Like, look at them now. I've like done my face routine and my face is all clean and moisturized. It just looks great. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And yeah, just the rest of the tan overall looks amazing. So I'm gonna get changed and show you what it looks like. Waking up in the morning, I've been thinking so many things. I just can't wait for things to get better. They're trying not the same, but things won't always stay the same. Is that it? I don't even know why I'm singing that. So I just wanted to quickly show the tan with my top on. So I'm literally just wearing white shorts and this top today because a little bit vibrant, it's sunny outside and I want to make the most of the sunshine. So I have got to go into town and run some errands. So I'm literally just going to like chuck trainers on. Maybe it looks a bit over the top, but I really couldn't care any less. So this is what I'm wearing today, and this is my tan. It literally looks glowing. I look like I'm on holiday. I look like I've literally been lying on the beach for a few hours. Like, just look at this tan, guys. I am absolutely in love. So this is my makeup, guys. I've done something quite simple. I say quite simple. I've basically done my whole entire makeup, which I usually do when I'm going out, but I haven't put my fake lashes on and I haven't put any foundation on whatsoever. So that is how good the tanning drops are. I've literally put a bit of concealer on and like a tiny bit of bronzer, and that is literally it. Like, wow, I'm sorry. It looks like I've got foundation on anyway, because like it literally matches like so well. Like, I literally don't even need to put foundation on anymore, I swear. Like, doesn't it look so good? It really, like, I'm so shocked. Anyway, yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed me reviewing this product. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if there's any video suggestions you guys want me to film, and comment them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.